Core Tech Presents, welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a detailed look at the 2026 NVIDIA RTX A4000, a professional workstation graphics card built for creators, engineers, and developers who need reliable performance and certified software support. This GPU is designed to balance power, efficiency, and stability for demanding professional workloads. Position in NVIDIA's workstation lineup. The 2026 NVIDIA RTX A4000 sits in the mid-range of NVIDIA's workstation GPU lineup. It targets professionals who require more capability than entry-level cards but don't need flagship-class hardware. This makes it ideal for small studios, freelancers, and businesses seeking dependable graphics performance without excessive cost. Architecture and core performance. Powered by NVIDIA's refined RTX architecture, the RTX A4000 delivers strong compute and graphics performance optimized for professional use. The architecture emphasizes accuracy and consistency, ensuring predictable results in long rendering sessions, simulations, and complex modeling tasks. Performance remains stable even under sustained workloads. Ray tracing for professional visualization. Real-time ray tracing is a major strength of the RTX A4000. It enables accurate lighting, reflections, and shadows directly inside professional applications. Architects, product designers, and visualization specialists benefit from faster previews and reduced iteration times, allowing more efficient creative workflows. AI acceleration and tensor cores. The 2026 NVIDIA RTX A4000 features dedicated tensor cores that accelerate AI-driven tasks. These include noise reduction, AI-assisted upscaling, and intelligent rendering processes. By offloading these workloads to specialized hardware, professionals can complete projects faster while maintaining high-quality output. Certified drivers and software support. One of the defining advantages of the RTX A4000 is NVIDIA's certified driver ecosystem. These drivers are tested and optimized for leading professional software, reducing crashes and compatibility issues. This reliability is essential in professional environments where stability and accuracy matter more than raw speed. Memory capacity and data handling. The RTX A4000 is equipped with high-speed professional memory designed to handle large datasets and complex scenes. This allows smoother multitasking and better performance when working with detailed 3D models, large textures, or high-resolution video timelines, ensuring efficient data flow during intensive tasks. Power efficiency and thermal design. Efficiency is a key focus of the RTX A4000. The GPU delivers strong performance while maintaining moderate power consumption, making it suitable for compact and quiet workstations. Advanced thermal management ensures consistent performance without excessive noise, even during extended work sessions. Connectivity and display support. The RTX A4000 supports multiple high-resolution displays, enabling expansive multi-monitor setups. This is especially useful for professionals who rely on large workspaces for editing, modeling, or data analysis. Modern display standards ensure crisp visuals and smooth output across screens. Ideal use cases. The 2026 NVIDIA RTX A4000 is well-suited for professionals in architecture, engineering, animation, scientific visualization, and content creation. It's designed for users who prioritize reliability, software certification, and efficient workflows over gaming-focused features. Final thoughts. The 2026 NVIDIA RTX A4000 stands out as a dependable and capable workstation GPU. With real-time ray tracing, AI acceleration, certified drivers, and efficient power usage, it delivers exactly what professionals need. For creators and engineers seeking stable, long-term performance, the RTX A4000 remains a smart and trusted choice.